Are you aware that utilizing your device and internet connection has the potential to generate hundreds to thousands of dollars? Indeed, we recognize your preference for PayPal, and it happens to be a key feature of the lucrative money-making strategy we're about to showcase in this video. This approach is exceptionally simple and within reach for practically anyone. This technique doesn't demand any previous experience or technical know-how. Furthermore, it is applicable worldwide, making it genuinely innovative. Whether you find yourself anywhere on the planet, this method is designed to be effective for you. And the best part is that no investment is necessary. Given that this approach is entirely free, without any associated fees or payments, it's truly remarkable, isn't it? There's no doubt about it. Therefore, I encourage you to stick around until the conclusion of the video to discover this cutting-edge money-making method tailored for you. Ensure you don't miss crucial information by watching the entire video without skipping any part. Before we proceed to the website for earning money, let's make a few preparations. Start by visiting paypal.com and click on the blue Sign Up button located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will guide you to a page where you'll choose between creating a personal or business account to facilitate fund withdrawals. Opt for a personal account, click the Next button, and proceed to select your country. Click on the button labeled Start Here and proceed to provide essential details about yourself. Once you've completed that step, proceed to fill in some basic information about yourself. We recommend signing up for a PayPal account, as it is presently the most widely used payment method. The process is straightforward, and accessing your funds is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Now that you've successfully created a PayPal account, let's navigate to the primary website featured in today's video. If the name of the website, paid-to-read-email.com, is unfamiliar to you, it signifies an opportunity to receive daily paid emails in your inbox. By confirming that you've read these emails through the website, you can effortlessly earn money just by engaging with them. To gain a deeper understanding of how this website functions, please scroll down a bit. The only steps needed to kickstart your earnings involve signing up, reading emails, and receiving payment. There are no additional or specific prerequisites, and you can potentially amass a significant income by merely engaging in the activity of reading emails online. As you scroll down, you'll uncover the notable benefits of becoming a part of this platform. These include receiving daily notifications for paid emails, with payments processed within 24 hours. Additionally, the maximum payout is capped at $20, and there's an extra $5 bonus granted for both signing up and activating your account. Furthermore, as the fourth benefit, you'll have the opportunity to participate in daily paid surveys, earning between $1 and $2 per survey. Lastly, leveraging these exceptional features, you can boost your online earnings even further by referring your friends. We are confident that you're excited to explore this platform. After all, who could resist such a fantastic opportunity? Before you can employ this method, there are some additional tasks you need to complete. Firstly, make sure you have a genuine and fully operational email account. If you don't already have one, we will guide you through the process of creating one, using Gmail as an example. You'll be guided to establish your own Google account by completing the necessary fields. Provide your first name, last name, and username before generating a password, ensuring compliance with the specified rules. For security purposes, you will be prompted to confirm your password. Click the Next button once you've completed these steps, and the process will proceed seamlessly. If Gmail isn't your preference, we have an alternative platform for you, namely Yahoo Mail, as shown here. Simply input some basic information about yourself, which is a straightforward process focused on you. Enter your first name, last name, email address, password, cell phone number, date of birth, and gender. Click the blue Continue button, and your functional email account will be ready. It's crucial that your email address works effectively, as this is where you'll receive all the necessary emails for earning money. Pause and reflect for a moment. If you've been enjoying this video, now is the ideal moment to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our future uploads. Now, let's return to the video. Now that you've completed the essential step of creating your own email address, you're ready to delve into the strategy and start earning money. Head back to paid-to-read-email.com, where you'll find the sign-up interface conveniently located in the center of the page. The convenience lies in the fact that you won't have to navigate to a separate page for the sign-up process. Start by selecting your gender, and then fill in the remaining fields with your personal details, such as your first name, primary email address, and password. Once that's done, all that's left is to click the Register button. Upon activation, your account will be successfully activated, and, as mentioned earlier, upon signing up and activating your account, you'll be rewarded with a $5 bonus. And who doesn't appreciate free money? Here's your dashboard, where you can monitor your cash earnings, points, email inbox, and referrals. The right side of the page provides a convenient overview, allowing you to track your activities and overall progress on this platform as you continue to earn money. As you scroll down, you'll come across a section detailing the various free earning options for your online engagements. Direct your attention to the cash surveys section. Clicking on this option will enable you to earn between $1 and $2 per survey just by sharing your opinions online. Clicking on the link will lead you to a page where you can start earning money. The surveys typically require just a few minutes, possibly less than 2, making it a breeze. This is the simple process through which you can earn money by participating in surveys. We haven't explored the second option, which involves accepting cash offers. If you're keen on experimenting with a product or service without cost, explore the 100 free offers section for chances to generate additional income. Let's give it a shot by clicking on this button, guiding us to a page where you can establish an additional income stream. This opportunity is truly remarkable as it enables you to earn more money without any constraints. The last method we'll showcase in this video is as simple as opening and reading emails. Just open your email and click on the messages sent by the website. Then, click on the images within these emails, and you'll be redirected to an external page with information. You have nothing to be concerned about on this page, as there are no actions required. To prevent being marked as idle, it's crucial to spend a minimum of 30 seconds on the external website after opening and scrolling through the emails. It's important to engage in some activity on the page, like clicking around or scrolling, as inactivity may be misconstrued as automated behavior. Continue implementing this strategy by opening multiple emails, clicking on various images, briefly pausing for at least 30 seconds, and then moving around. In no time, you can accumulate nearly 300 online. And there you have it, the end of our session today. If you found this video informative, go ahead and give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop for our future videos. This is Ideas from Chow signing off. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.